Hello everyone, my name is Wina Pujianita Wibowo with students number 232122033, and in this video I will show you how to use Mendeley desktop to organize and cite references for academic writing. And the topic for this example is Technology Information Literacy, and we will go through several steps from creating a folder, uploading references, correcting details, and finally making in-text citation and a bibliography in Microsoft Word. And the first step is create a folder. First, you should open Mendeley desktop like this and click on create folder on the left panel. Fun. And name it into Technology Information Literacy. And press enter. Now we have new folder to organize all our references related to the technology information literacy. And second step is upload references. In this step, I will upload several references about literacy in English language teaching, and I will upload 5 journal articles, 1 proceeding, 3 books, and 1 book chapter. But I will create the new folder to divide the file in the Technology Information Literacy folder because there are 4 types of references, so it won't be confusing later on. Don't know. Okay. After that, you can import file by dragging PDF file into Mendeley or clicking add new and add and try manually. And click file that you want drag into Mendeley. Like this, add, click add, and click file that you want to drag into Mendeley. Second step is correct detail with APS 7's edition style. After uploading, it is important to check and correct each reference detail according to APS 7's edition style, and you should adjust according to the type of reference. Let's see the example. If you have a book file, you must have the book type in the file details. Let's see. This is book type, book file, but in the type details is book section, and we should change it into book type, like this. And also, if you have a book chapter, you must have the book section type in the file details. And if you have a journal article file, you must have the journal article type in the details, in the file details. And if you have a proceeding file, you must have the conference proceedings type in the file details in this. Okay, let's go over what should be included for each type. The first is in the book. In the book must include authors. This is the authors. A lot, many authors in this book. And when you writing authors or editors, you must write the last name first, followed by the first name. Like this. This is a last name, Yudi Wahyudin, and Ahmad is first name. Okay. And this is years in the book, 2024 years in publication, and title of the book is Basic Principle of English Language Teaching, and publisher is Universitas Teknologi Indonesia. And second book is, let's see, and the type is book with title Teaching Writing in English as a Foreign Language. The author is Huan Zhao, Lawrence Jung Zhang, and year of publication is 2022, volume 28, and pages is 1 of 193. And the publisher is Springer. There is editors also in the book. And the third book is about, the title is Understanding English Language Teaching in EFL Context, From Idea to Practically. And the authors is Kamal Uddin, and the title and publisher is Routledge. Year is 2023, pages with pages 1 to 168. And next type is a book chapter. In book chapter must include authors, year, title of the chapter, editors, title of the book, page, and publisher, and DOI if available, and this is optional. And let's see. Remember, you should write the last name first for author and followed by the first name. And this is the author is Huang Fangwen and Hong Zhang. Okay. And yours is 2020. The title of chapter China Going Global Challenges as Responses in English as a Foreign Language Teaching and Teacher Education. And editors. And these are the detail of the book chapter. This editor is Ami Bigmai Sui. With the title of book is, sorry, English Language Teaching and Teacher Education in East Asia. And page is 1 to 1 to, there's a mistake, 1 to 22. Okay. And publisher is Cambridge University Press. Okay, for the next type is journal article. In journal article must include author, year of publication, title of the article, title of the journal, volume number, issue number, page range, DOI if available, and this is optional. So, let's see the first journal article. Author is this, Sima, Peter, Danner, and Dizau. And year of publication is 2024, and volume is 7, issue May, page 1 to 10, and the publisher is Elsevier. With title Exploring ChatGPT Literacy in Language Education, a Global Perspective and Comprehensive Approach. And let's see the type of the details. This is a mistake here. This is a journal article file, but in the type detail is a book section. We should change it into journal article. Okay, next is, the title is EFL Teacher Generative Artificial Intelligence Literacy, a Skill Development and Validation Study. With journal title is System, and year of publication is 2025, and volume 133, issue July, and pages is 1 to 15, and publisher Elsevier, of course. And next is the title is Exploring AI Mediated Informal Digital Learning of English. And the authors, this is the authors. Years of publication is 2024. Volume, this is now volume and issue, and pages is 1 to 30. And publisher is Routledge, Taylor, and Francis Crowe. And next, journal article about strategies. The title is Strategies of Improving Information Literacy of College Foreign Language Teachers under the Background of Artificial Intelligence. And authors is Hanshu Xiaokoli Brett Light. And the title of journal is International Journal of Web-Based Learning and Teaching Technology with volume 19, issue 1, and pages 1 to 18. Okay, next, the last journal article. Journal article type is the journal article with the title Breaking Technology and Pedagogy from a Global Lens. And authors Muhammad Al Kreseh, with year of publication 2024, volume 6, issue March, pages 1 to 12. And publisher is Elsevier. Okay, the next type is the last type is conference proceeding. In conference proceeding must include first authors, years, title of the paper, editor, title of the proceeding, page, publisher, TOI if available, and this is optional. And let's see, the author is Sandi Pratama, with title Training Student to Identify and Correct Fabricated References in ChatGPT Generated Literature Review. Okay, and proceeding title is Conference of English Language Teaching. The year of publication is 2025, pages 20, this is 25 maybe, and 236. Okay, editors also Handi Pratama with publisher Universitas Negeri Semarang. Okay, after all references are complete and corrected in Mendeley, the next step is to make in the text citation in Microsoft Words. This helps us give credit to the original sources when used in our writing. And the first step, open your Microsoft Word document. Okay, like this. And go to references tab. And I will copy the sentence that will be cited. And this is just for example. Okay, this is a example of the sentence. There is several ways to insert citation using Mendeley, depending on your writing context. First, citation is single citation, used when referring the one author or one source. And to make a single citation, click Insert Citation and search for the author's name or title from your Mendeley library. And I will give a 5 example uh, for single citation. Okay, first is click insert citation, search author or title here in your library, Mendeley library. Okay, and click OK. And this is a single citation. And second example, insert citation, find your file, click OK. And third, single citation, click OK. And fourth, single citation, click OK. And the last example of single citation, and finish. And this is an example of single citation. And second is citation with page number. Citation uh, with page number used when you quote or refer to a specific part of a source, such as sentence or paragraph. And I will give two examples. And you can also add page number in your citation after inserting the citation. And click on it, choose edit citation, and then type the page number. Or your or you can click insert citation, search your file author, click and click this, the author. And there is the page section. For example, page 20. Click OK. And I will give another example. So click insert citation, search author title of your file, click click this, and there is a page section. And for example, okay. And last is merge citation. In merge citation, used when several references support the same idea or statement. And to merge multiple citation, insert the first citation as usual. Then add other one immediately after it by clicking insert citation again. And Mendeley will automatically merge them into one set of parentheses. And I will give one example with three references. Insert citation, search title, search again, add other references. And the last references is basic principle. Okay, click OK. And there is merge citation with multiple sources. Okay, finally, to insert the bibliography, click on Insert Bibliography in the Microsoft Word toolbar. In this toolbar, okay, Click Insert Bibliography, and Mendeley will automatically generate the reference list based on EPS 7's edition. Okay, and that's it. You've learned how to organize references, correct them using APS 7 style, and cite them in Word using Mendeley. Always make sure each reference include complete details, authors, years, title, source, or DOI or publisher, so your academic writing stay professional and credible. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.